Expert predictions: 20% growth in satellite communication services by 2024. Date: January 25, 2025. Overview. The satellite communication industry is poised for a remarkable transformation, with projections indicating a growth rate of approximately 20% by 2024. This surge is largely attributed to advancements in satellite technologies and an escalating demand for enhanced connectivity catalyzed by ambitious projects such as Mars missions. This report delves into the underlying factors driving this growth, the evolving landscape of satellite communications, and the implications for various sectors. Key growth drivers. 1. Integration of multi-orbit satellite solutions. The convergence of geostationary GEO medium Earth orbit MEO and low Earth orbit LEO satellite networks is becoming a necessity for governments, enterprises, and telecommunications providers. This integration allows seamless connectivity across diverse environments, be it maritime, aviation, or remote areas. Source 1. 2. Digital transformation. The anticipated investment in digital transformation is expected to reach nearly $4 trillion by 2027. This trend necessitates high-capacity network communications that satellite infrastructure can effectively complement, particularly in underserved regions. Source 1. Source 2. 3. Technological innovations. The introduction of Very High Throughput Satellites (VHTS), artificial intelligence, and advanced ground systems is revolutionizing satellite operations. These innovations enhance data transmission rates, operational efficiencies, and support new applications including Internet of Things IoT solutions. Source 2. Source 3. 4. Emerging use cases. Demand for satellite services is increasingly driven by applications such as broadband connectivity in remote regions, maritime communication, and enterprise very small aperture terminal VSAT services. Satellite IoT is also gaining traction, providing connectivity in sectors like agriculture and logistics. Source 2. Common themes across sources. Technological integration. The integration of advanced technologies including AI and VHTS is pivotal for enhancing satellite capabilities and operational efficiency. Growing demand for connectivity. A consensus among sources highlights the rising need for satellite connectivity fueled by digital transformation and global connectivity initiatives. Emergence of multi-orbit networks. The shift towards multi-orbit networks and sovereign satellite systems is influenced by geopolitical factors and the demand for secure communications. Divergent perspectives. Source focus. While Source 1 emphasizes multi-orbit solutions and the impact of digital transformation, Source 2 explores broader technological advancements and societal implications. Source 3 provides a more analytical perspective on market predictions and economic challenges, emphasizing consolidation trends within the industry. Market dynamics. Source 3 notes significant mergers and shifts in the competitive landscape, highlighting key players such as Starlink and OneWeb, while Sources 1 and 2 focus on future technological advancements. Future trends and predictions. 1. Increased use of multi-orbit solutions. The satellite industry is expected to evolve from isolated GEO-MEO and LEO services to integrated multi-orbit networks. This shift will drive further technological innovations benefiting various segments including maritime and aviation. Source 1. 2. Rise of sovereign networks. Geopolitical dynamics are prompting nations like the US and NATO members to invest in satellite-based sovereign networks to support global missions and disaster recovery efforts. These networks offer the security and resilience needed for governmental operations. Source 1. 3. Ecosystem transformation. The satellite communication ecosystem is expanding with new players and innovative services, creating opportunities for business growth. The influx of applications like IoT and AI integrated solutions is broadening the industry's scope and enhancing competition. Source 1. Implications for various sectors. Telecommunications. The growing demand for high-speed internet and mobile connectivity will necessitate investments in satellite infrastructure, particularly in rural and underserved regions. Government and defense. The push for sovereign networks will enhance secure communications for military and governmental operations, necessitating advancements in satellite technology. Commercial enterprises. Businesses will increasingly rely on satellite connectivity to support digital transformation initiatives, improve operational efficiency, and enhance customer engagement. Environmental monitoring and agriculture. Satellite IoT solutions will play a crucial role in monitoring environmental data and optimizing agricultural practices, contributing to sustainability efforts. Conclusion. The satellite communication industry is on the brink of a significant transformation with a projected growth of 20% by 2024, fueled by technological advancements and rising connectivity demands. The integration of multi-orbit networks, digital transformation, and innovative satellite technologies will redefine the landscape of global communications. As stakeholders adapt to these changes, the satellite sector is set to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of connectivity, particularly in the context of ambitious initiatives such as Mars missions. References. Source 1, SES blog on multi-orbit satellites / www.ses.com/blog/SES 2025 predictions. Multi-orbit satellites will drive innovation, enterprises, governments, and. Source 2, LinkedIn article on satellite industry trends / www.linkedin.com/pulse/global top 10 satellite industry trends 2024 detail. Govind Daygood. Source 3, NSR satellite capacity predictions / www.analysismason.com/research/content/articles/NSR Satcom predictions NSI 039/. The satellite communication industry is on track for an anticipated growth rate of approximately 20% by 2024, influenced by a mix of technological advancements, increasing demand for connectivity, and ambitious initiatives like Mars missions. This growth trajectory is shaped by several counterintuitive insights that challenge common perceptions about the industry. 1. Mars missions driving connectivity demand. One might intuitively think that Earth-centric demands for satellite communication, such as broadband access and remote connectivity, would be the primary growth drivers. However, the push for Mars exploration is catalyzing demand for advanced satellite communications. As space agencies and private enterprises set their sights on Mars, the need for robust, high-capacity communication systems becomes crucial, not just for the missions themselves but for the technological innovations that will ultimately benefit Earth-based applications. 2. Multi-orbit solutions as the dominant trend. Many may perceive the satellite industry as predominantly reliant on traditional geostationary orbits (GEO). Yet the increasing integration of multi-orbit solutions (GEO, MEO, and LEO) is emerging as a transformative trend. This shift challenges the notion that GEO satellites alone can meet evolving connectivity needs. Instead, a hybrid approach allows for enhanced flexibility, efficiency, and coverage, addressing connectivity in remote areas, maritime routes, and aviation. 3. Digital transformation's hidden influence. While digital transformation is widely acknowledged as a driver of connectivity needs, its true impact may be underestimated. Organizations are expected to invest nearly $4 trillion in digital transformation by 2027, creating an insatiable thirst for high-capacity network solutions. This investment is not merely about upgrading existing infrastructure, it's about rethinking how businesses operate and connect on a global scale, thereby placing satellite communications at the forefront as a primary network provider rather than a backup option. For AI and automated systems redefining operations, the prevalent view might be that satellite technology is inherently static and reliant on traditional engineering. However, the integration of artificial intelligence and automation is redefining operations in ways that enhance efficiency and responsiveness. This counterintuitive development suggests that satellite systems are evolving into intelligent networks capable of real-time data processing and autonomous decision-making, thus drastically improving operational capabilities. 5. Emerging trends in sovereign networks. Conventional wisdom may suggest that global satellite networks predominantly serve commercial interests. However, geopolitical dynamics are pushing nations to develop sovereign satellite systems to ensure secure communications. Countries are increasingly looking to create their own satellite networks, factoring in national security, disaster recovery, and global missions, thereby shifting the landscape from shared commercial infrastructure to more localized secure systems. 6. The role of startups in transforming the landscape. Many may associate the satellite industry with established players and traditional corporations. Yet an influx of startups is reshaping the market with innovative solutions. Companies focusing on small satellites, satellite IoT, and advanced propulsion systems are challenging incumbents and fostering a competitive landscape that encourages rapid innovation and diverse applications. 7. VHTS shaping future connectivity. A common perception might be that traditional satellite systems adequately meet connectivity needs. However, Very High Throughput Satellites (VHTS) are redefining expectations by providing unprecedented data rates and capacity. These advancements are not just enhancing services but are critical in bridging the digital divide, especially in underserved regions. 8. Additive manufacturing revolutionizing production. The satellite manufacturing process is often seen as conventional and labor-intensive. The rise of additive manufacturing 3D printing offers counterintuitive efficiencies that allow for lighter, more complex designs at lower costs. This technology enables rapid prototyping and customization, leading to a more agile manufacturing process that can adapt to specific mission requirements. 9. In-orbit servicing as a game-changer. The belief may persist that once a satellite is launched, its operational lifespan is fixed. However, in-orbit servicing capabilities are emerging as a revolutionary approach to extend satellite life and performance. This surprising advancement allows for repairs, upgrades, and even the removal of space debris, challenging traditional notions of satellite sustainability. 10. Flexible launch services democratizing space access. Although launching satellites is often viewed as a high-cost endeavor reserved for large corporations, flexible launch services are democratizing access to space. These services enable a wider array of organizations, including startups and research institutions, to deploy satellites affordably, thus fostering innovation and expanding the satellite ecosystem. In conclusion, the landscape of the satellite communication industry is transforming in unexpected ways. As Mars missions propel demand for enhanced connectivity, multi-orbit solutions redefine operational capabilities, and AI integration revolutionizes satellite operations. The convergence of these factors is set to create a dynamic environment characterized by growth and innovation. The anticipated 20% growth by 2024 is not merely a reflection of increased demand but a testament to the industry's adaptability to evolving technological and geopolitical landscapes. The report on the anticipated 20% growth in satellite communication services by 2024 highlights several critical factors that could significantly influence the industry but may be overlooked by many readers. Here are some of the key content areas that deserve particular attention due to their implications for the future of satellite communications. 1. Multi-orbit satellite solutions. The report emphasizes the importance of multi-orbit satellite solutions (GEO-MEO-LEO) as a major growth driver. While many readers may be aware of satellite constellations, the significance of multi-orbit strategies is often underestimated. Significance: seamless connectivity. Multi-orbit networks enhance coverage and reliability, especially in underserved regions or during emergencies. The integration of different orbital types can provide redundancy and support diverse applications, from broadband connectivity to military communications. Technological innovation. The development of technologies like electronically steered antennas and automated satellite orchestration is essential for optimizing network performance across these various orbital layers. Ignoring these advancements could lead to a misunderstanding of the operational shifts in satellite communications. 2. Digital transformation and high-capacity networks. As organizations invest heavily in digital transformation projected to reach nearly $4 trillion by 2027, the demand for high-capacity satellite networks is expected to surge. Many readers may be focused solely on terrestrial network upgrades, underestimating the role satellites play. Significance. Complementary infrastructure. Satellite networks are becoming critical in filling gaps left by terrestrial systems, particularly in areas where fiber optics are not economically viable. This shift suggests a growing reliance on satellite technology to support global connectivity, which could reshape the competitive landscape between satellite and terrestrial providers. IoT and remote operations. The integration of satellite IoT solutions is vital for industries such as agriculture and environmental monitoring, which are increasingly reliant on real-time data. The implications for industries and applications that depend on consistent connectivity are profound yet often overlooked. 3. Emerging trends in sovereign satellite networks. The report discusses the rise of sovereign satellite networks driven by geopolitical factors and security concerns. While the concept of national satellite systems is not new, the urgency and scale of these initiatives are often underestimated. Significance. Geopolitical stability. The establishment of sovereign networks is crucial for nations seeking autonomous and secure communication channels, especially in conflict-prone regions. This trend could lead to increased competition among nations to develop and maintain their satellite capabilities, influencing global power dynamics. Market implications. Companies that focus on providing services to government entities may see significant growth opportunities as nations invest in their satellite infrastructures. Understanding this shift is essential for stakeholders in the satellite industry. 4. Artificial intelligence integration. The integration of AI into satellite operations, as mentioned in the report, is a transformative trend that many may not fully appreciate. Significance. Operational efficiency. AI enhances satellite data processing, autonomous decision-making, and predictive maintenance, reducing costs and improving mission success rates. Readers may overlook how this technology could redefine operational paradigms in satellite communications. Data utilization. With satellites generating vast amounts of data, AI can help extract actionable insights, leading to advancements in various sectors including climate monitoring, disaster management, and urban planning. 5. In-orbit services and sustainability. The emphasis on in-orbit services, including satellite refueling and debris management, is an area that could easily be overlooked. Significance. Longevity of satellites. Extending the operational lifespan of satellites through in-orbit maintenance is critical for sustainability in space. This reduces the need for constant replacements and helps mitigate space debris, a growing concern in the industry. Economic impact. The ability to service satellites in orbit could lead to cost savings for operators, making it more feasible to deploy larger constellations and enhancing the overall return on investment for satellite missions. 6. The role of Very High Throughput Satellites (VHTS). The report highlights VHTS as a key player in the satellite communications landscape. However, many may not grasp the full extent of their impact. Significance. Bridging the digital divide, VHTS can provide high-speed internet access to remote areas, crucial for economic development and social equity. The implications for underserved populations are profound, yet often relegated to secondary concerns in discussions about satellite technology. Market transformation. VHTS are pivotal in redefining competitive dynamics in the broadband market. Their capacity to deliver high data rates poses a challenge to traditional terrestrial providers, which could lead to a significant reshaping of market strategies. 7. The economic and competitive landscape. The report touches on the competitive landscape shaped by major players like Starlink and OneWeb. While these companies are commonly discussed, the broader economic implications are often overlooked. Significance. Market consolidation. The ongoing mergers and acquisitions in the satellite sector indicate a trend toward consolidation that could limit competition and innovation. The economic health of the industry will depend on how these dynamics evolve. Investment opportunities. Understanding the competitive landscape can help stakeholders identify investment opportunities and potential partnerships that align with emerging trends in satellite technology and services. Conclusion. The anticipated growth in satellite communication services is driven by multifaceted factors, many of which may be overlooked by the average reader. By diving deeper into aspects such as multi-orbit networks, sovereign satellite initiatives, AI integration, and in-orbit services, stakeholders can gain a more comprehensive understanding of the satellite industry's trajectory. Recognizing these nuances is crucial for making informed decisions in a rapidly evolving market where satellite technology is increasingly integral to global connectivity and communication. 1. Growth drivers and multi-orbit solutions. The satellite communications sector is on track for a 20% growth by 2024, primarily fueled by the integration of multi-orbit solutions GEO-MEO. These systems are vital for various sectors including maritime aviation and remote communications as they ensure seamless connectivity across diverse environments. The rise of multi-orbit networks is essential for addressing the increasing demand for reliable communication services, particularly in underserved areas. This trend signifies a transformation from traditional isolated satellite services to a more integrated approach that enhances operational efficiencies and expands market reach. 2. Digital transformation and connectivity needs. The ongoing digital transformation across industries, with projected spending nearing $4 trillion by 2027, necessitates robust and high-capacity communication networks. Organizations increasingly rely on satellite systems to complement terrestrial networks, particularly in remote and underserved regions. The convergence of digital transformation with advanced satellite technologies underlines the importance of satellite infrastructure in enabling digital services, driving demand for enhanced connectivity solutions. This growth in digital services and applications, including IoT and cloud computing, further emphasizes the strategic role of satellite communications as a critical infrastructure component. 3. Technological advancements and innovations. Key technological innovations such as Very High Throughput Satellites, VHTS, artificial intelligence, and advanced ground systems are reshaping the satellite industry. VHTS significantly increased data transmission capabilities, enabling high-speed internet access and supporting various applications including broadband services and maritime connectivity. The integration of AI enhances operational efficiencies and automates satellite functions, improving data processing and decision-making capabilities. Furthermore, advancements in ground systems facilitate better command and control of satellite operations, ensuring seamless data reception and processing. These technological advancements are crucial for maintaining competitiveness in the rapidly evolving satellite communications market. 4. Emerging use cases and applications. The demand for satellite communications is driven by diverse use cases across industries, including broadband access in remote areas, maritime connectivity, enterprise VSAT applications, and satellite IoT solutions. Satellite IoT is particularly noteworthy as it bridges connectivity gaps in sectors like agriculture and environmental monitoring, enabling real-time data collection and analysis. The expansion of applications for satellite communications highlights its growing significance in addressing global challenges such as digital inclusion and climate monitoring, while also presenting opportunities for innovative solutions in various fields. This trend reflects the broader societal impact of satellite communications as it enhances connectivity and data accessibility globally. In conclusion, the satellite communication industry's anticipated growth is driven by multi-orbit solutions. Digital transformation demands technological innovations and diverse application use cases. As the sector evolves, it will continue to play a crucial role in shaping global connectivity and addressing the pressing needs of various industries. 1. The Apollo program 1961 to 1972. The Apollo program was a series of missions initiated by NASA to land humans on the Moon and bring them safely back to Earth. It significantly advanced satellite communication, navigation, and telemetry technologies to support human spaceflight. The program's successful missions, particularly Apollo 11 in 1969, demonstrated the potential for space exploration and led to an increased demand for advanced communication systems, ultimately influencing the development of satellite technology that supports global communication networks today. 2. The launch of the Intelsat I satellite 1965, known as the first commercial communications satellite. Intelsat I, also called Early Bird, marked a transformative moment in satellite communication history. It demonstrated the feasibility of satellite-based communication for commercial purposes and established a model for international telecommunications. The launch of Intelsat I opened up new markets and created a global communications network that laid the groundwork for modern satellite communications, driving demand for improved connectivity and technological advancements in the field. 3. The Global Positioning System GPS development 1973-present. Originally developed by the U.S. Department of Defense, GPS has evolved into a critical global navigation system that relies on a constellation of satellites orbiting the Earth. The deployment of GPS satellites has revolutionized navigation and timing technologies across various sectors, including aviation, maritime, and personal navigation. The system's success has significantly increased the demand for satellite-based services, leading to advancements in satellite technology and applications such as precision agriculture, autonomous vehicles, and location-based services, which continue to drive growth in the satellite communication industry today. Future outlook: predictions for the satellite communication industry by 2024. The satellite communication industry is poised for remarkable growth, with a projected increase of approximately 20% by 2024. This surge is largely attributed to advancements in technology, heightened demand for connectivity, and ambitious initiatives like Mars missions that require robust communication capabilities. Below are the key predictions and trends shaping the future of satellite communications. 1. Multi-orbit solutions becoming standard. The integration of multi-orbit satellite solutions, combining geostationary GEO, medium Earth orbit MEO, and low Earth orbit LEO satellites, is set to redefine the connectivity landscape. This approach will facilitate seamless communication across varied environments, enhancing services for enterprises, governments, and telecommunications providers, as operators secure multi-orbit capacity agreements. The demand for advanced solutions such as electronically steered antennas and intelligent automation systems will rise. 2. Digital transformation driving demand. With global spending on digital transformation expected to reach nearly $4 trillion by 2027, the need for high-performance network communications is paramount. Satellite infrastructure will play a crucial role in complementing terrestrial networks, particularly in underserved regions. Organizations will increasingly rely on satellite services to connect remote locations, driven by the need for reliable and high-capacity connectivity. 3. Emergence of satellite IoT. The convergence of satellite technology with the Internet of Things (IoT) is set to bridge connectivity gaps across industries. Satellite IoT will provide reliable connections for applications in agriculture, logistics, and environmental monitoring, particularly in remote and underserved areas. As more IoT devices require connectivity, the infrastructure will expand to accommodate these needs, enhancing operational efficiencies and data collection capabilities. 4. Advancements in satellite technology. Technological innovations such as Very High Throughput Satellites (VHTS), artificial intelligence (AI), and advanced ground systems will revolutionize satellite operations. VHTS will enable unprecedented data transmission speeds, while AI will enhance operational efficiencies, automate decision-making, and optimize satellite networks. The integration of advanced ground systems will ensure seamless command and control of satellites, further improving service delivery. 5. Sovereign satellite networks. Geopolitical factors will drive the demand for sovereign satellite networks as countries seek to establish independent communication capabilities. Initiatives by NATO member nations to build high-performance satellite systems for secure communication will create new market opportunities. These networks will support global missions, disaster recovery, and critical communications for government agencies. 6. Rise of in-orbit services. In-orbit servicing, encompassing satellite refueling, maintenance, and debris removal, will become increasingly important. As the number of satellites in orbit grows, the sustainability of space operations will depend on the ability to manage space debris and extend satellite lifespans. Companies specializing in in-orbit services will play a pivotal role in ensuring the long-term viability of satellite constellations. 7. Flexible launch services and cost efficiency. The trend towards flexible launch services will democratize access to space, making it easier and more cost-effective for startups and smaller companies to deploy satellites. The rise of rideshare opportunities in customized launch solutions will enable rapid deployment of satellite constellations, fostering innovation and competition in the industry. 8. Focus on sustainability. As environmental concerns grow, the satellite industry will prioritize sustainability. This includes the adoption of green propulsion technologies to minimize the environmental impact of launches and operations. Additionally, the industry will focus on managing space debris and ensuring responsible use of orbital space. 9. Challenges and regulatory developments. Despite the positive outlook, the satellite industry faces challenges such as regulatory compliance, spectrum allocation, and cybersecurity. As more players enter the market, regulatory frameworks will need to evolve to address these complexities and ensure safe operations in an increasingly crowded orbital environment. 10. Market consolidation and partnerships. The satellite communication sector is likely to witness continued consolidation as companies merge to enhance their capabilities and market reach. Partnerships between traditional satellite operators and emerging players will foster innovation and expand service offerings, particularly in areas such as broadband access and enterprise solutions. Conclusion. The satellite communication industry is on the brink of significant transformation, anticipated to experience a 20% growth by 2024. This growth will be propelled by advancements in technology, the integration of IoT, and the pressing need for enhanced connectivity in various sectors. As stakeholders adapt to technological changes and market demands, the satellite sector will play an increasingly critical role in shaping the future of global communications. The convergence of digital transformation, sovereign networks, and in-orbit services will create a dynamic landscape presenting both opportunities and challenges for industry participants.